How to get free GP in eFootball mobile. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can get free GPs on eFootball mobile. So without further ado, let us get started. In order to get free GP, now unlike the My Club coins or unlike the coins, GPs are actually free on eFootball. There are many ways to get it. The first is by playing some AI matches. So if I go to the match section over here, and if I go to events from here, from events I can go to this versus AI events right here, and here you can see different type of rewards. So first of all, I can play the tour event for 30,000 GP after I reach a specific target. Second, I'll just go ahead and then select another tour event as well. You can select that and you'll find another 30,000 GP here as well. Similarly, you can come back and you can also play PvP matches where you can get other ways to get those GP. But in PvP matches, mostly you will get some other reward tokens or My Club coins. Now another way to also get GP or increase your GP is by releasing unused players. If you have a player that you are no longer using, let's say if you go to the players tab, and let's say if you want to release a certain player by selecting it and tapping the release button, you will see how much GP you will get for basically releasing that particular player. The higher the value of the player, the higher the bonus and the GP you will get. And this way you can get free GP in eFootball. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.